Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create video using Tempo templates. Tempo is a powerful video editing app that offers ready-made templation with smooth transition, beat sync effect and trendy styles. If you want to create eye-catching videos without advanced editing skill, Tempo templates are the easiest way, so make sure you watch till the end to create your first professional looking video in the minutes. So first you need to open to your Tempo app. If you have not, so you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. Over here, when you reach into this Tempo dashboard, you can find a lot of templates. Over here you can simply select any of the template that you find attractive or that you want to include in your video, and over here you can simply select any of the photos, and after that select one of the photo or the video that you want to add in your template and select on the bottom right red icon. And over here you just created a video. You can either add any of the filters. On the bottom here you can add the music or you can simply edit, and that is it. You have successfully created a video using Tempo templates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.